what I want to do a video on first. This just happened. I'm actually excited about this one. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is the Hyper Smooth. This thing is, I'm super excited to start doing some videos with that. But this is about the Saab. So this is the mass airflow sensor that came in for the 9.5 with the 2.3 turbo. This, ladies and gentlemen, was literally $28. Remanufactured, 28 bucks. I think that's everything. For all this crap on the ground. There she is. What do you say we install it, clear the codes, and see if the check engine light goes out? And maybe we'll record it on the Hero 7. Let's do it. All right, everybody. So here we are trying out that GoPro 7 Black. Even though the video you're watching is going to be in 1080, I'm recording this at 2.7K, 60 frames a second with Hyper Smooth on. I know that's a mouthful, right? And I know some of you are going to be like, why aren't you doing it in 4K? Because 4K only supports like wide field of view, and I prefer the linear field of view. If we go wide or super view, you're gonna see like way too much, and I'd rather the camera be a little more focused on what's going on up here. This way you like get the best experience possible, I think. Otherwise you're just going to see too much of everything, and you won't be able to see like what we're actually working on here. So, oh look, the hood is just trying to fall on me. So hopefully the video quality looks good, and I always downscale, even though with my iPhone and stuff I record in 4K 60. I never intend to show you guys video in 4K, at least not at this point. There's really no reason to. I think most of you are probably watching on your smartphones, so no reason to be doing all that 4K stuff. This damn hood keeps falling on my head, and it's really starting to piss me off. So it looks like airflow goes this way, so we're gonna need to stick this down here, but I gotta find the plug. What do you think? If you think that this mass airflow sensor is going to work, click that like button. If you think because this is a reman, no name, and it's going to give us problems, click the down button. In the meantime, I got to find this damn wire. All right. To save time, I went ahead and got all this put back together. Everything should be good and tight now. One more check for the screw right here. Okay, now let's get this out of the way and we find out who's right and who's wrong. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to break out the iPhone XS. Now here's a real test for the GoPro, man. It's dark. Like, I think the camera makes it look lighter than it really is. So I got this blue driver dongle, all right? And I'll have a link for this in the description. This thing is 99 bucks. And this is an app that it's not necessarily the app. There's a dongle down there. See that blue light? That's the sensor itself. You can put it in your pocket. So you can take it to places that don't want you bringing a code reader, and they'll never even know you got it. So it's reading the codes. All right. Now, I've never used this on my iPhone before. I'm from Android, so clear trouble codes, we're going to say yes. It's done. We're going to scan again just to be sure that there are no more codes. Scan successful. Did not report any trouble codes. All right. Now, before we go, isn't this a beautiful damn phone? I'm sorry. I'm an Android fan. I love Android, but man, I cannot lie. iPhone does make some sexy phones. All right. Let's crank this baby up. Now, the problem we had with the last mass airflow sensor is the engine would idle sporadically. Like, it was just like, blah, 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 blah. It was horrible. Uh-oh. Had me scared. Had me scared. I'm serious. For a minute, I thought, uh-oh, we're gonna have a problem. Give it a little gas. This looks promising. This looks promising. I guess we need to take her out for a test drive. Let's turn the e-brake off. Whoa, there we go. Let's take her for a spin. All right. Well, she's good. She's strong. I thought it was running good before. Very nice. Very nice. Man, the video quality on this camera is insane. Not to mention the stabilization is great because doing camera in a car is ridiculous. It's always bouncing around. Excellent quality so far. I think that's a wrap. The check engine light is not on. It is running exceptionally well. It's very, very strong. I call that a successful fix and an easy one. You really cannot be, whoa, man. I know the camera moved a little bit, but let me tell you something. We are bouncing around. These roads suck, man. They do. This is a good day. It's a good day. Still got that noise from the right side. We'll try to work on that in tomorrow's video. But I think that's going to wrap it up for today. We got a $30 sensor on Amazon, 2-day delivery, and the car is good. As TK would say, that's a win. Hopefully you guys can see down here, we have driven the car 82 miles. I'm daily driving it just like I said I would. 82 miles and counting. So that's going to be it for the video. Thank you guys for taking a few minutes of your day and sharing it with me, doing that test for the $30 Amazon mass airflow sensor in the flooded Copart 2006 Saab 9.5 2.3 turbo. Man, that is a mouthful, isn't it? Look, I want to show you something. Don't forget to get yourself one of these. All right, this is the Blue Driver. It's 99 bucks. The app is free, but you need this dongle. This is by like Lamar, but that's what it looks like. It's a Blue Driver dongle. Literally, you put it in your pocket, a little QR code there. Easy to use, quick. You saw how quickly you can scan and erase codes, and it does like airbag modules, ABS. It does almost everything that a more expensive handheld scanner would do. You can't beat something like this for 99 bucks. Direct link in the description to the Amazon link. And hey, if you don't want that, please use the Amazon link anyway. Anything you buy on Amazon, once you click that link, even if you don't buy it, it helps me because it gives me a small percentage and it definitely helps support the channel. So if you're going to be buying something on Amazon, just click on that link, use that link. You don't have to buy the dongle, but go ahead and do some of your Amazon shopping anyway and help support the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. Comment below. Stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you all very soon, tomorrow hopefully, in the next one.